Hi, welcome to Stephen's Kitchens. Come on in.
Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, seasoned homeowner, or a builder looking for a joint project, Stephen's Kitchens is driving trends and designing spaces to upgrade any home.
When I was young, I was always kind of a jack of all trades, handyman type of kid. I always got my hands on things, took them apart, put them back together. So I ended up in the construction industry. That kind of built my business up to what it is today. Our focus is on our clients, the design that they deserve. People work hard. They invest a lot into their kitchens and their bathrooms, and they spend a lot of time in those rooms. And we just want to make sure that what we put together for you is what you want. We listen.
At Stephen's Kitchens, the design you deserve is more than just a slogan. It's the creative force behind every project.
Customer service is very important. I mean, these are huge projects people are undertaking. It's not just a little, oh, let's paint the walls. We're gonna move walls and redo your whole floor and everything. So making sure everybody's as comfortable as they can be and as happy as they can be with the whole process is very important.
I like to invent new ideas. And you can see it in the end of the project when you show up and you realize that this used to be your old room and now it's a new breathtaking area that you're gonna love for years to come.
When Steve does the preliminary estimates, he sends those over to the client. I follow up with them, see if they have any questions, if they need any clarifications, and see if they want to come in and talk about materials and colors and things like that to finalize their design.
And to help every renovation go from this to this, or this to this, Stephen's Kitchens also turns to the latest technology.
I just want to show you the software program where it's telling you exactly when our install payment is due. We started using Builder-Trend software a few years ago. It gives the client a view into their project, so when we have a calendar, our clients get to see the start and finish date online at any time on their smartphone device, on their computer at home. They can track the progress of the project. They know who's going to be there, what day they're going to be there, and it also helps the clients stay in touch with us and stay on top of what's happening. So Ashley, I noticed that the last client we had in here, they were asking us about to add some bright colors to that white and gray that we've been using everywhere. So I thought maybe a couple of these blues we could interject in maybe the backsplash. I mean, how do you feel about that? People are buying things like bright red ovens and appliances like that. So some of these wild colors back from the 60s and 70s are coming back as a trend. So today's current trend, there's a lot of white and grays, but they also are talking about splashes of bright colors like yellows and blues, mint colors, things like that are coming back around.
Creativity is very, very important. I mean, I don't want everybody's house to look exactly the same.
This is kind of a small town, so I run into my clients out when I'm at the mall or out shopping, out at restaurants, and they always rave about how happy they are and how it's changed their life and it's changed their family gatherings and their everyday life and their kids. More people spend time together in the kitchen than they used to because they just want to be there. It's a great feeling to come home to something that's so pleasant after a long day of work.
For more information about Stephen's Kitchens, visit stephenskitchens.com or email them at dreambig@stephenskitchens.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.